So over here on the side, back to the Gallery tab, the Lesson Activity Toolkit is a place where a lot of the pre-made examples already are. The templates, the quiz, that interactive quiz is in there.
The two different ways that they do it is, if we scroll down and we have activities and examples. Now, the trick is that you really need to look at the example first before you look at the activity. Because I was getting really confused because I was like, I don't know how to do any of this stupid stuff that they're showing me. So you have to look at the example, figure out what it's supposed to do, then you can go into the activity, which is basically like a blank, kind of a blank thing where you can put in your own questions and put in your own stuff. So that's the trick, really. So if I go to examples, then it's going to, I have an example activity. Oops. And I think what we did was, like note reveal. And it should just, okay. So why use ideas when writing paragraphs? So this is what I'm saying. You have to kind of see what it's supposed to look like, how it's supposed to be done. So you're going to go through here, and now I say, okay, now I know what it's supposed to look like. How do I now go get it? So now you go to the activities and you find, and then you might go in here and say note reveal. So then it's going to find me the different ways that I can do the note reveal. But that's the biggest part, is the examples. So if you do this, then you go to, now I know you know what it's supposed to look like because you guys took the quiz. So you saw the example. So now when you hit edit, you can change your question, change your answers, figure out what your correct answer is, and then you can add the questions that you want. So that's why, again, it's important to go figure out what the heck this thing is supposed to do in the first place. Then when you hit edit, it all makes kind of sense to you. Now, the other piece of that is password. So you can just put that in there. If this is something that you're going to have your kids play with, and you don't want them to know the answers, you can just password it so that you can leave it open, walk out, go to the bathroom, whatever, and they can't figure out the answer.